it's Steve here. I've had a lot of requests. People have asked me to talk through how to tune the guitar. So that's what we're going to do and have a look at today, is how to tune the guitar. First of all, we do need to know the names of the strings, what the various strings are called. The first string is E, and he should sound like that. Second string is a B, and he should sound like that. Third string, G. Fourth string is D. The fifth string is A. And the last string is an E, sixth string E. So E, B, G, D, A, then E. Now even if you tune with a tuner, which we'll talk about in a little bit, you still need to know the names of the notes, because you won't know what you're tuning to if you don't know what they're called. Now, that was how we would, I used to tune my guitar. You'd find someone that had an in-tune guitar and you just get them to play that first string and you twist yours until it sounds like the E, the correct note. But if you didn't have someone with you, what you'd need to do is get the E string, the sixth string, in tune. Now let me talk the notes through. E is open, F is on the first fret, G is on the third fret. Now up at the fifth fret you have A, and that's the name of the next string. So they should sound the same. So if your sixth string's in tune, go to the fifth fret, and the fifth string should sound like that note. I spent a lot of time when I was young tuning like that, just getting that note into tune and then making sure that I'd twist that fellow until we got in to sound like that A on the fifth fret of the sixth string. Now with the fifth string, the notes are A, B on the second fret, C on the third fret, then up at the fifth fret we have D. That's the name of this string here. So we're tuning again from the fifth fret of the fifth string. So your fourth string open D will sound like the D. Now on the fourth string, D, E, F, then G. G is the fifth fret of the fourth string, and is the same as the open note on the third string. So again, we're tuning from the fifth fret to the open. Now the third string to the second string is different. G is open, A is on the second fret, B is on the fourth, and there's your B on the second string open. Now with the second to the first, B, C, D, E is at the fifth fret, the open note on the first string is also E. So from every string, it's the fifth fret of the previous string that we should sound like. Everywhere except between the third and second string. Everywhere except between the third and second. So the third we tune from the fourth fret. Okay, that being said, Maya now needs to tune her guitar. So she's going to come over and join us here, and she's going to tune her guitar to my in-tune guitar.
Hi.
Her guitar is out of tune. Her guitar is out of tune. So here's my E. Oh, sounded awful. Now here's my E. We can hear Maya's E doesn't sound like my E.
Now I will turn clockwise.
It's getting close. I think that's it. I think that's done it. Okay, now let's tune the B string, the second string.
What do you think?
Little flat.
Yeah, we need to go up, clockwise.
I think that's there. Third string now. Oh, that's sharp. That's higher. That's got to come down.
Anti-clockwise, down.
Another fourth string. It's a little flat, so it's going to come up.
Up.
achieved that. Now the 5th string, that's sharp, that's high again.
Going down.
He's sharp, he's higher, he's coming down.
Counterclockwise.
Now the last string, the 6th string, he's flat, he's lower, so he's got to come up. Now Maya's guitar is in tune because she tuned to my in-tune guitar. Okay, the other thing, I've got my tuner here. Can you see him? That E lights up when I play it, and it tunes, it gets into the tuner, turns green, the screen turns green. But to use a tuner, you're going to need to know the names of the notes that we just went through. Okay, with that all said and done, I think you're ready to start tuning yourself. If you want to have a look through again to really enforce your knowledge of how to tune, do so, and then get practicing. The more you do of it, the better you'll get at it. See you next time.